So it is 3:54 in the morning, heading to the gym, but I checked the mail and I got a package. I don't know who it's from because they don't have their name on the box, but we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see what's in here. It's not very heavy, so like I said, let's see what's in here. Oh, dude, is it? Oh my God. I think I know who it's from. Oh, dude. No freaking way. Oh, man. The Super 55 Chevy. This came from AC 350 Diecast, guys. I did not know if he was actually gonna send me that. That is freaking wild. AC 350 Diecast reached out to me and offered to just gift this 55 Chevy. I didn't know it was legit. I thought he was just messing with me, because who just randomly sends somebody a Super like this? Look at this beauty. Oh man, I definitely did not think I was gonna get this in the collection this year. If anything 55 Chevy, 57 Chevys, gassers in the Chevy lineup are definitely hard to get your hands on. But there we go, guys. Awesome. A huge shout out to you, my man. I definitely appreciate you. I know you were looking for cards within a certain era, I think 2003 to 2009, because you're collecting that style card. So I'm definitely gonna go through my collection and see what I have that I have duplicates of, or what you might be interested in. So oh my God, man, awesome Super. Definitely check out AC 350 Diecast's YouTube and Instagram. I'll have that link down below. Was not expecting to open a box like this at 3:59 in the morning, but there we go.